everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Freedom Mortgage. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Freedom Mortgage is a non-bank, full-service mortgage company that provides mortgages, loans through retail, wholesale and correspondent channels. If you'd like to log into one of your accounts in Freedom Mortgage, click open the web browser first and type in www.freedommortgage.com and press the enter on your keyboard. This is the official website of Freedom Mortgage that looks like this. Click on the login button at the upper right with a human figure in it in order to log into your account. You'll end up in the login area, enter your username that is associated with the account and move on to the next field and type in the password for your account. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on the Forgot Username link to look for your username and click on Forgot Password link to reset to a new password. After you're done, click on Login and you'll be logged into Freedom Mortgage account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.